So now, so we will see before update. So for that, again, I'm going to the event listeners, and from here, I'll create a new event listener, and I'll select the event. So that is before save. So this will trigger while saving the data in create or edit pages for both edit and create. So I'll create a new action chain here, and I'll go to the action chain, and here again I'll use the JavaScript, and so this time so it will trigger once we save. Again, I'll go to code mode and I'll place the script here. For before save also, it is similar. So we will be just taking the current row, and then we can update any of the fields based on some logics, and then we can finally return the value. So here basically I'm taking the changed row from event.row, and then I'm looping for key. So that is the field names. So field names will be in key, and the values will be in values. So I'm taking the key and I'm checking the field. Um, so if comments is not, if the field is comments and field value is not this, and I'll be updating the same field. Okay. So you can, so if in place of key, right? So if you specify the field name, so you can explicitly update the field also for the changed row variable. And finally, you will return this changed row.
Sunil, instead of key, we can use the field name right there.
Yes, we can use. So instead
Okay.
of so key, because it is in for loop, I just use it key. But if we explicitly use some field name, so we can access that field and then we can update. It is similar to accessing the maps. So we'll preview now. So here I'll not update status. to not trigger the field trigger code, but I'll update some other field, and then I'll save. So now we should see the updated comments from before save trigger. It's not updated. Okay. So we should use double equal to here. So if you see some warning, right? So you can see some suggestions as well here. So it suggests to use double equal to instead of single. I'll just change it. Okay. I'll check this, but this is how it should work the same way. So similarly, you can use this same script for even uh, the before create event listener. So where you can use this same way to default some values. It is very similar. So you will just get the row and then you will update the value uh, and then you will return the changed row. So you can use some printlns, right? So to debug whether it is going to the for loop or not, or or we'll try this without for loop. Again, we'll preview, and then we'll see the the notifications in VBS. So also we need to just note this code whatever we have written. So this is only for VBS layer. It is not. It doesn't work for REST or import, etc. So in order to trigger uh, for REST and all, so we need to still use the application composer server scripts. So first, basically, we need to check the feasibility with server scripts. If it is not feasible, or if suppose for field event behaviors, right? So if user wants to see the change immediately, so then obviously we might need to use VBS events. So otherwise, if we write here, so it works uh, across everywhere. Import web services, then VBS screens. In all channels, it will work. But if we write here, it works only on the UI. Okay. So now it is updated on save. Maybe something wrong on it is somehow not satisfied the condition previously. So it now it is working.